Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can translate like postcards in Heartopia. So for instance, you got a mail from somebody and it's in a different language. You are actually now able to translate it. If you go to your watch and go to mailbox, select the postcard you want to translate. I'm just going to select this one, and then there will be this like translate button. You can then press it to translate to like the default like language you have it on, I guess. But yeah, that is it. You can like translate it back by just pressing it again. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!